What's up everyone, welcome back to my channel, or welcome in case if you guys are new. So starting off, to prep my eyes, I'm going to be using the Maybelline Age Rewind concealer and setting that with this Beige Cosmetics Stone brush, and I'll be setting it with the Airspun translucent powder and making sure everything is set into place. And for today's palette, I'll be using my favorite, which is the Morphe and Jaclyn palette, and I'll be using the yellow and neutral color with this Sigma E40 brush and making sure everything is blended. Once I feel I'm good with the transition color, I'm going to be applying that light brown color with this Morphe M441 brush and making sure everything is blended nicely and seamless. If I feel everything is blended, I'm going to be going with the Morphe R39 brush and placing that same brown in my inner third of the eye since it gives more control. Then I went back with the Morphe M441 brush and making sure everything is nice and seamless. After that, I'll be going with concealer and focusing that in the middle of my eye. Once I'm done with the concealer, I'm going to be setting it with the Airspun translucent powder and applying that all over. Next, I'll be applying this pretty gold shade, and I'll be applying that with the Flower detailer brush and pretty much just apply all over the lid. It's such a beautiful gold bronze. Next, for the liner, I'm going to be using the Kylie Cosmetics liquid lipstick in the color Birthday Suit, and this was from her Send Me One collection. And you guys don't necessarily have to use this specific lipstick, you guys can use any that you guys have. Now I'm prepping my eyelashes with mascara. Next, I'm going to be applying my favorite lashes, and these are in the style M102B. After that, I'm going to be prepping my skin with the Makeup Forever Step 1 Skin Equalizer and pretty much just blending that all into my skin. Next, I'm going to be applying foundation, and I'll be mixing today the L.A Gilr Pro Coverage HD High Definition Foundation with the Milani Conceal and Perfect. To conceal my under eyes, I'll be using my favorite drugstore highlighter, and this is the Maybelline Age Rewind concealer, and I use the shade Neutralizer, which has an amazing yellow undertone. And I just love this concealer in general just because it's medium to full coverage, it does not leave your face looking cakey, and it does not emphasize your wrinkles. So you guys definitely need to check this concealer out because it's so bomb. Next, I'm going to be setting all of my skin with the Mercier translucent powder. Next, I'm going to be applying bronzer now, and I'll be using my favorite butter bronzer. Next, I'm going to be cleaning up all the bronzer with the same translucent powder and apply some blush. This is in the shade Luminoso from Milani, and I'll be using the same eyeshadows on my bottom lower lash line. Next, for my inner corner highlighter, I use the Colourpop Flexitarian highlighter, and I'll be cleaning all the bronzer up now to highlight my face. You guys know by now, I love the MAC Oh Darling highlighter, and that's what I'll be using for my face. Now I'm just applying bottom mascara, then I'm going to be applying the Badescu rosewater spray and making sure everything is melted into the skin. Now for my lips, I'll be using the J Cat's lip liner in the color brown with the Kylie Cosmetics liquid lipstick in Birthday Suit. And on top of that, I'll be applying a gloss, and it's going to be the Colourpop My Jan Lip Gloss. So pretty much, guys, this is the final look. I hope you guys definitely loved it. Please don't forget to subscribe to my channel and also click the notification button down below, and I'll see you guys in my next video.